Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today we are going to be looking at My Legion Secrets monthly results. So the month of November, we're already in the last month of the year. I got started with My Legion Secrets in March this year. And I've been following one simple strategy, which I'm recommending everybody obviously to follow. But this is just a documentation of my entire journey. So if you guys want to follow along, please do go ahead, and I'm going to jump on my screen and share with you guys monthly results of November. Awesome, guys. Here I am on my laptop. And before I go ahead and share with you the monthly results, I just want to briefly talk about my strategy with you guys. So today's a Monday. We generally talk about these 3 steps, which is simply put, it is sending My Legion Secrets. So we're using My Legion Secrets. This video is about My Legion Secrets. I call it a cash flow generating step that we follow. And because it's a cash flow generating step, I leverage My Legion Secrets to send an offer and then make a sale. That's simply it. Okay. This generates me cash flow every single month. How much? Well, today we're going to be speaking about that specifically. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, solves 2 problems. Okay. Or rather, for affiliate marketing, you need to know 2 skill sets: advertising and copywriting. My Legion Secrets, you tap into the advertising and you practice your copywriting. So it solves 2 problems in a longer sense of the term of actually having a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. So that's why personally I promote it. But more than anything else, that's why I use it, because I use it as a traffic source in the first place. So it doesn't matter if anybody joins me or doesn't join me. I don't care, to be honest. I will still be using the traffic source, and I'm going to share with you why in a second. So this is the strategy that we're following. So basically I use it as a cash flow generating strategy, and then from there I'm able to purchase more advertising that builds my funnel, builds my email list, and everything else. So that's how the whole entire strategy works. This is how it is, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, sorry, I looked out. There was something that distracted me for a second. But anyway, let's go ahead and actually share with you My Legion Secrets results. But before we get started, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, if you want to see weekly My Legion Secrets videos, if you want to just follow along the journey, whatever it is, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Show me some love, because that's the only thing I ask for, a document, and I share on this channel. So if you like, subscribe and comment, I will be happy, obviously. At the same time, if you do feel after all these videos, and there is a special playlist in the description which has strategies on trainings and everything else My Legion Secrets related, you can always check that playlist out. And if you do want to get started with My Legion Secrets, I'm going to leave this link in the description. It is the first link in the description. Okay, now let me just explain to you what My Legion Secrets is. Simply put, they are providing you 100 leads every single day. If you get one person to join, they will then transfer that to 200 leads every single day to you. So that's a real amazing thing, because you're basically spending $1 a day, getting 100 leads, and you have those leads, they're yours. So I utilize My Legion Secrets as an autoresponder, because I'm getting these 100 leads every day, and I email every single day to those leads in order for me to start to generate sales. That's primarily the whole thing. It doesn't guarantee you sales. My Legion Secrets product, what they do guarantee you is those 100 leads. They do not guarantee you anything else. So what you're paying for, yes, it is paid. What you're paying for is those 100 leads. I want to make this super crystal clear, because a lot of people join My Legion Secrets and think that, oh, they're going to be making money. No, you have to put in the work and the effort of emailing every single day, focusing on writing better emails, in my opinion, and then having better conversions. But the conversions are up to you. It's not up to My Legion Secrets. It's not up to My Legion Secrets leads. It's up to you to convert those leads. Remember, as marketers, whether we have, really clickbaity traffic or not, it is still our job as marketers to convert those leads into sales. So always make sure that you know what you're paying for, and then what you are focusing on, always. Okay, I hope that's crystal clear. No one can guarantee you to make sales online, guys. You have to put in the work and effort. It does make sense when you think about it for the long term. So how much does My Legion Secrets cost? It costs $60 in the first month, and $30 if you decide to keep the software and keep everything running for you. So that's how much it costs. I'm not going to go into more details about it. I'll leave this link. I'll let this page, tell you what you need to know. And if you have any questions, you can always join my Facebook group, and I can go ahead and share with you a little bit more. So let's go ahead and show you my statistics, just to give you guys an idea. I am currently getting about 100 to 200 clicks every day. I'm testing some new type of content. So you can see that the last week was not the best for my traffic. I've got a little bit lower clicks, but that's absolutely fine. And low open rates also, but that's again absolutely fine. It's something that I was testing this week, so I wanted to see if it does or doesn't work. It seems that it's not getting the best results, so I will go back to my previous strategy, which gets any which ways quite a nice 200 clicks almost on those 9,000 emails that I send every day. 11 to 20% open rate. Yes, I said that, 11 to 20% open rate, and quite a good click-through rate as well. So that's pretty much it. I'm super happy with how things are moving forward, honestly, with my Legion Secrets. I just have one account. You can have multiple accounts. I don't suggest to have multiple accounts. That's just me. I have one account. I know that there are a lot of other YouTubers will say that you need to have at least 3, 4, 5 accounts to actually see the value of it. It's up to you guys. You start where you can. That's what I'm going to say. You start where you can. I was able to get one account. Once I see that this account has given me the most, then I will move on to a second account if needed. But otherwise, I just need to have one account. So that's just to show you some statistics of this last week. I can go a little bit more further and show you for the rest. But I've been pretty standard, getting around 100. Some I've got 400 clicks on 9,000 people, which is quite nice to see. And I continue. Okay, it builds up over time, but you can see that it's pretty decent standard clicks that I'm getting. So that's my results for the month of November. So these are all November results. So I've been getting quite a good amount of results in November, honestly. That is the statistics. Let me go ahead to the affiliates, and what I'm going to be doing, actually, I will go to downline and just show you that I have 6 people who have left. So I would have had 19 people, and then another person is 7 people that have left who have decided to stop using my Legion Secrets, which is absolutely fine. So that means I would have had 20 people, but actually now active referrals, I have 13. How do I get these referrals? It's pretty simple, actually, how I get these referrals, to be honest. Let me just show you. Give me a second. So yeah, I had to zoom in and change it a little bit so that you guys can see, but I have sources. So I have my email in, sorry, I have a picture in my emails that I send. So usually my Legion Secrets, some of them just click on that picture and they get from the signature, they get that they get my Legion Secrets and they keep it. Others I send specifically to a page, this page actually that you've seen, I send them to. And so they've joined. One has joined through actually my sponsor, who has a video on YouTube, and he's put my link instead of his. So I got one referral already from that. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So all of them are things that I have promoted and actively pointed them in a direction. So the signature one are, in my opinion, bonus ones because they're absolutely free. The one which just shows MLGS, these ones are the ones that I've actually said, if you want to get 3,000 leads per month, then this is the link. And I actually send it in my emails as a PS, as a bonus. These are strategies I talk about in the training, so you can go ahead. But basically, I do it passively. I don't focus on this. Remember, this is just something that's extra and there. Okay, so I want to jump into the commissions for my Legion Secrets, and this is where the money comes into the perspective. So I just want to show you, as an affiliate of my Legion Secrets, how much I'm making, but I don't expect anybody to make this. This is all bonus. This right here is bonus money for me, guys. Okay, this is bonus. I do not think about it. If I do get it, I'm happy. If I don't get it, that's absolutely fine with me as well. I really don't mind. My focus is my product, and this is the main focus, but I just want to start off with counting here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 payments this month of this month of November. So we'll do 12 into $5 per referral. So that's 60. In fact, that's how much I withdrew this month. The withdrawal I made was 60. That's cool. How much have I earned so far in my Legion Secrets? Let me just scroll down to show you guys how much I've earned so far. It's $409 is what I've earned so far since I've joined. So this is paying for itself, to be honest. For me to get $60, it's paying $30 and it's paying $30 extra. So now I'm getting a profit, let's say a net profit of $30 just from this one account. Okay, so I'm already in profit, as they say. So let's keep that as my Legion Secrets. So this is what I've earned from my Legion Secrets itself. And let's go ahead and look at Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus, guys, is a marketplace that I use. I have my main product in Warrior Plus, and as I mentioned here, I send an email out to Warrior Plus offer. that that then generates me a sale. So let's see how many sales I've got for the month of November. As you can see right here, from the 1st of November to the 30th. And it's been 18 sales that I've made this month. So that's more than the other months, actually. 18 sales this month just from my Legion Secrets to my offer, which I'm sharing with you pretty openly here. And the commissions, so the sales that I made, the amount of, that means my Legion Secrets leads have purchased $400 worth of products from me. Yes, they purchased $413 worth of products. That's the sales price. That's the price that they're paying. How much did I get in commissions? 274.72. 274.72 is what I've earned. So I'm going to copy this in commissions, right? In commissions. So I'm going to be doing this plus, and I hope I can add it here. No, I cannot. So do this plus 472. So the total of 334, guys. 334 for the month in total earnings. Now, what we are not doing right here is I'm going to minus $30 because $30 is what I spend to maintain my Legion Secrets, right? So minus $30. How much does that give me? Grand total of net profit of $304.72. This is the net profit that I've got from my Legion Secrets itself. So my Legion Secrets has helped me earn $304.72 this month of November. Guys, I have been traveling this month. I've been doing a lot of things this month, preparing my new course and everything else. So there's a lot going on. And this strategy is just a simple strategy of creating a cash flow. What do I use this $300 for? I use this $300 to buy advertising that gets sent to this page right here, and gets sent to my landing page, and then builds my email list up. It builds my email list. It builds an asset for me. So now I'm not spending money from my pocket to be able to pay for my advertising. I do have a full-time job. I work a full-time job. I'm doing this on the side. I'm creating a cash flow of $200 to $300 to $400 every single month. And I'm leveraging that cash flow to be able to purchase advertising to maintain my business. And that generates me even more sales in my entire business. But that being said, this is a structure. It does need time. It doesn't happen overnight. I cannot guarantee you any sales. But as I said, this structure is working for me. And if you guys are interested, like I said, you can subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about specifically the whole strategy itself, I have another playlist to how to get to $1,000 per month in the description. And soon I will be sharing this with you guys once it's out, but soon I will also have a course that's ready and available for you to follow this exact strategy that has been working for me, for this whole year. So of 2023. So I'm really happy to share it with you because the data is there, the proof is there, the documentation is there. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions at any point of time, feel free to let me know in the comment section. If you want to join my Facebook group, you can. And yeah, if all I ask is hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you're getting value from these weekly videos. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.